An easy Ontario trail with a big payoff. Hike is short and worth every step. This is Hilton Falls. We are back at Hilton Falls, and finally the weather is so amazing today. Sky is blue, 13 degrees out. It's gonna be a wonderful day. We started on the main Hilton Falls Trail and later decided to wander over to the Red Oak Trail. It's the Mother's Day weekend today, and one of the things that we noticed is the bugs are out now. So if you're coming to Hilton Falls anytime after today and it's a nice sunny day, highly suggest that you start bringing your bug sprays, guys. There's a tree in the distance that's super curvy. Oh, bugs! Could actually see bugs. Big mistake not spraying bug spray on us. There's so many bugs right now, and it's only May 10, which is super crazy. They're out and about trying to eat us alive. So we've been to Hilton Falls now every single season, winter, spring, summer, and fall. I guess my favorite here at Hilton Falls is still fall because of the colors. My least favorite is obviously winter because it was so dangerous and it's impossible to climb up. It's better for cross-country skiing. We don't really know how to ski, but it's a great place for that if you're into cross-country skiing. Behind me is my favorite spot at Hilton Falls on the Pothole Trail. It's tree-lined and it's beautiful. Go on. Along the way, we passed a few vernal pools. These are temporary wetlands that fill with water as the snow melts. They become important habitats for frogs, salamanders, and all kinds of small plants and wildlife. We found this little rocky area, and Jasmine and I are gonna try to see if we can climb up and film us while climbing. All right, come over here. Here, come closer to the camera. This is a nice tree. All right, come.
Okay, we need to get down before.
The walk was easy, and before we knew it, we were already at the falls. There's a great fire pit here too, so if you come prepared, it's the perfect spot for s'mores or hot dogs. Take a moment here to just enjoy the sound of water.
All right.
All right, we veered off on the Redwood Trail This is one of our favorite ones because then we could see the reservoir at Hilton Falls.
Yeah, and then I was inside the swallow. Yeah, like how old was I? Hey, Nick, I have a mission for you.
Such a huge difference that a couple of weeks makes in Hilton Falls. The last time we were here, we almost died walking on pure ice. But today, it's such a pleasant day. There's so many people here, although you can't see them right now because we're not filming other people. Right now, we're on the Redwood Trail and it's very quiet and peaceful. It's so nice over here. We are taking the off the beaten track. It's a shortcut to the parking lot, but it's not the most pleasant path. Whee. Don't copy us.
We were just on his car.
Alright guys, if you're planning a hike at Hilton Falls, here are a few tips for you. Tip number 1, come here early. Say 9 o'clock, because the later you get, the busier it is, especially if you wanted to see the falls and take nice photos. Tip number 2, there's actually a great fire pit at Hilton Falls. Bring your hot dogs and your s'mores. Tip number 3, make sure that you check out the Redwood Trail so you can see this lookout. I hope you enjoyed our little adventure today and be sure to check out our other videos. Bye for now.